This is gum.
Hello guys, it's Mr. Haque back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your headlights using toothpaste. You have to use baking soda, toothpaste and a toothbrush.
Any brand?
Yes. So this is how dirty the old headlight is. Spray it across very nicely. Then you want to rub it in.
So for that,
you're going to be looking like, what the fuck these guys do?
Toothbrush. You can use your fingers, but toothbrush is better.
Yes.
So get the toothbrush. Okay.
Yes, use the toothbrush. I'm here today with Mr. Abu Bakar. He worked on the SVR project with me. Very good man.
Until the toothpaste changes color, that's when you know the dirt is coming off.
Can you see it is got sticky? That is the baking soda. Need to get the left corner low. This side needs it as well, so we'll do this side too. Let me show you how to do
nice,
it.
You know. We use nice smelling toothpaste.
Yeah.
Very minty.
Very minty.
An indication of when it is getting cleaned is when the toothbrush is dirty. So the toothbrush is
The
clean
toothbrush
right now.
is still clean.
So we have to keep doing it until the toothbrush gets dirty.
Ah, there's a bee. Ah.
Can you see? It is going a bit
It is gone black.
Not black yet.
Not black, but brown, like yours.
No.
When it turn our color, then you are finished. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you touching with your hand?
Feels like.
Why the fuck would you touch it? You don't make no sense to me.
You feel it?
Do I feel it, DJ? Need a bloody drink. What did you do? Fucking feel the engine from here. Fucking boiling, bro. Oh, is your left corner hot?
No.
No.
Feel it.
Yeah, it's like,
Feel this part.
yeah, that's hot. Just mind the car, then it.
Oh, no, you know.
I think I know why. Hey, what the fuck? How long you do this for?
Pause it.
Now you want to spray it
You get the water bottle
with any water.
Empty.
Yes, we
Place
filled it up with water.
Obviously, there's no
Yes.
window in here.
That's water.
And spray it.
You spray it off and clean it like this. If needs be, you can do another coat if it's very stubborn. I'm getting wet.
Wipe it.
Now we are wiping it off slowly.
I still feels like there's some here, so.
As you can see, the left side is looking a bit cleaner. Actually, is cleaner. Yeah, the left side is a lot cleaner. It's actually clear now. Before it was misty.
Not fully clear.
It's not fully done. Maybe one more coat will be good.
Go over one more.
Because look at the difference. This side's all fully dirty, and then this side's more restored. You just need one more coat though. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.